Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add BMW M5 in GTA 5. Begin by backing up your game files to prevent loss. Install Open Roman 4 and enable Edit Mode. Download a quality BMW M5 mod, then import model, textures, and meta files into the appropriate folders. Replace a spawn vehicle or create a new handling line. Test in story mode before using online to avoid account issues. In this video, I will show how to add BMW M5 in GTA 5. First, back up your entire GTA V directory and important meta files. Next, find a BMW M5 mod that matches your game version and download required textures and model files. Open Roman 4, enable Edit Mode, and locate the correct update or x64 folders. Extract mod files and verify file names, match in-game references before importing. In this video, I will show how to add BMW M5 in GTA 5. Quick recommendation: if you want mood music while modding, try the Echo Dot smart speaker for crisp sound and easy voice control. It makes installing mods feel cinematic and keeps your playlists handy while you work. If you like this guide, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to add BMW M5 in GTA 5. Start by placing model and texture files into the x64V or DLC folders specified by the mod. Edit Vehicle, Meta and Car Variations. Meta to reference the new BMW M5 model and adjust handling. Meta for realistic performance. Save backups of modified files, then rebuild game cache or remove DLC list. XML entries if needed. Launch game, spawn the BMW M5, and test driving and collision behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.